Amazon sellers are sleeping on Walmart. Here's why it is the next gold mine. And number one is Walmart sales aren't the craziest right now. As you can see, $55,000 in 1 year for our client, but they are winning and growing fast. You can see the growth, right? Increase, huge increase going over on Walmart. So now is the time to come in. And you can see right here from this chart, I know this is from 2023, but you can at least see the growth on Walmart online sales. People are shopping on Walmart more. It's becoming more competitive. Walmart's putting a lot more ad spend, a lot more dollars into the online platform to make it even better, right? So definitely moving over is a great idea. And number two is the SEO is so easy right now with Walmart. It's so easy compared to Amazon because Walmart actually gives you a breakdown. It's called the listing quality score dashboard. This is what it looks like. And the main thing I want you to look at is you can see poor, right? We've got 5 poor listings. These means that they're not optimized. They're not SEO optimized for Walmart's algorithm. They made $60. Good. $500. Excellent. $2,000. So if you just optimize your listings and you follow Walmart's quality structure, like their SEO structure, their algorithm is going to push you to the first page and you're going to generate tons of sales. Amazon doesn't have anything like this. Like they don't really tell you how the algorithm works. Walmart is literally telling you, they're literally telling you your algorithm, how it works and what you need to do to improve your algorithm. And it really doesn't get that much easier. Like this is like the easiest way to have success on an online platform. I wish every online platform had this. And if you scroll down, it actually tells you step by step per listing what's wrong with it. Maybe the title's too long, or they want you to lowercase the word for, F-O-R, instead of capitalize. Like there's small things that Walmart literally tells you what to do. And if you do it, boom, all of a sudden your rank goes up and then your sales follow. Point number 3 is it is so easy right now to get to page number 1 on Walmart. So if we look at Walmart right now, you can see that there is around 200,000 sellers on Walmart, has over 200,000 active sellers. That might seem like a lot, but it's not, especially compared to Amazon. So we're looking at Amazon, 9.7 million. Would you rather compete with 9.7 million sellers or 200,000? I mean, it's a no-brainer. If you're competing with 200,000, there's a much higher chance that you're going to succeed and you are literally going to dominate on the platform. So definitely check that out. And that's pretty much, those are 3 huge steps to get you started and get you on Walmart. Now, if you are selling on Amazon and you are just completely stuck, you can just go down to the link below and you can check out, we will give you a free listing audit on your Amazon products. You just fill out this form, right? And then we'll just go through all of your top competitors, do a listing audit, tell you what to improve on your listing, so that way you can generate more sales. And I mean, it's always good to have a second look, a person who knows what they're doing, look at your listing and at least give you some free recommendations. It's going to keep us sharp. It's going to help you generate more sales. So check that out if you are interested. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart or Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This means we'll manage your inventory, customer service, design, listing quality score, ads, get you the pro seller badge, and grow your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.